The AUXCO Handheld Steam Cleaner HSC-2000 features a smart touchscreen with 6-gear adjustment buttons, making it simple to control the steam output for different cleaning needs. With a power output of 2,500 watts, this steam cleaner emits high-pressure and high-temperature steam at 105 degrees Celsius to deeply clean and restore surfaces in your home. This versatile steam cleaner is suitable for various cleaning tasks, including kitchens, bathrooms, floors, tiles, and even car detailing, eliminating the need for multiple cleaning tools. The steam cleaner boasts a 15-second fast heating feature and a large 1,100 milliliter water tank, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. Weighing significantly less than other cumbersome cleaning devices, the lightweight design of this steam cleaner makes it easy to maneuver and perfect for accessing tight spaces and corners. Designed for efficiency, the AUXCO Steam Cleaner offers up to 1 hour of continuous use, making it an excellent choice for completing small cleaning tasks around the home effortlessly.